static method and abc.abstract method, will it blend? In my Python app, I want to make a method that is both a static method and an abc.abstract method. How do I do this? I tried applying both decorators, but it doesn't work. If I do this, I get an exception asterisk, and if I do this, the abstract method is not enforced. How can I make an abstract static method? Asterisk the exception.
This will do it. You go, eh? It just renames at abstract method, and this is completely correct. Because any subclass of the above will have to include the static method decorator anyway. You have no need of it here, except as documentation when reading the code. A subclass would have to look like this. To have a function that would enforce you to make this method a static method, you would have to subclass Abc.Method to check for that and enforce it. That's a lot of work for no real return. If somebody forgets the static method decorator, they will get a clear error anyway, it just won't mention static methods. So in fact this works just as well. Update, another way to explain it. That a method is static controls how it is called. An abstract method is never called. An abstract static method is therefore a pretty pointless concept, except for documentation purposes.
This is currently not possible in Python 2.x, which will only enforce the method to be abstract or static, but not both. In Python 3.2+, the new decorators Abc.Abstract class method and Abc.Abstract static method were added to combine their enforcement of being abstract and static or abstract and a class method. See Python issue 5867.
Starting with Python 3.3, it is possible to combine at static method and at abstract method, so none of the other suggestions are necessary anymore. Further, at abstract static is deprecated since version 3.3.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.